In a rare public display of affection, KZ Tandingan lets husband TJ Monterde give her a sweet kiss in front of a huge crowd at the Araneta Coliseum. It was the third night of TJ's sold-out concert Sarili Nating Mundo, and they just performed the anthemic love song, Palagi, when KZ finally gave a touching congratulatory speech for TJ. Teasing KZ, TJ initially said, "Kasi nung first 2 nights wala kang message sa akin. Ngayon daw meron kang sasabihin sa akin." Looking uneasy with what she's about to do, KZ shyly quipped, "I-message ko na lang sa'yo." Nahihiya siya pag ganito, "Wag ka mahiya, baby," TJ sweetly told KZ. Cringing at TJ's cheesy endearment, KZ jokingly gestured that she'd punch him on stage. But TJ only laughed at her, expecting such a reaction from his wife who's known for her astig vibe on and off cam. Pointing at her failure to pull off a demure speech, KZ quipped, "Seryoso na." Uwing-uwi na sila, distracted again with the audience requesting for KZ and TJ to share a kiss. KZ exclaimed, "Mamaya magsawa kayo. Hanggang lumabas kayo nakakiss kami. Tignan natin kung di kayo magsawa. Mam-trib kami." Then turning serious, she finally thanked TJ's solid supporters for making his 3-night concert at the Araneta a success. "Okay, seryoso na ta. Sa mga nanood ng Day 1, Day 2, maraming salamat for choosing to be with TJ this past 3 days. Di po kayo nagkamali sa taong susuportahan. Kasi kung gaano siya ka-generous on stage sa puso niya, kung paano siya magkwento, kung paano siya nag-i-inspire, encourage sa inyo na nanonood ngayon, ganon na ganon siya off stage." KZ pointed out how her husband waited for 10 years before he finally experienced a big breakthrough in his musical career. His song, Palagi, became a hit song, and was even chosen to be the theme of the currently highest box office movie Hello, Love, Again starring Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo. Continuing, KZ expressed how God answered her husband's prayers. "This person is an example of God's testimony that He's the God of everything. Na kaya niyang i-compress ang time, kaya niyang ibigay lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa isang ganun, snap. Sobra akong grateful that I get to witness that every single day for the rest of our days." Aside from a great artist, singer-songwriter, head of his own label, husband, dada to our dogs, son-in-law, brother, TJ is my inspiration. KZ added that TJ inspires her to keep going when she's experiencing uncertainties with her craft. "Kasi, as an artist, I also feel like I'm in my season of waiting. And sometimes, I feel like it's time to just throw in the towel. But every time I wake up in the morning, and I look to my left, I see this man. And I am reminded that a few years ago, he was ready to give up. But he chose to fight. It was just last January 28 when the couple marked their 10th year anniversary since they became a couple. They got married on August 28, 2020 in Batangas. I love you so much. Wala ka nang magagawa. You signed away your rights. Joke. Gino ko na lang, maiyak na ako, KZ told TJ. She added, I love you so much. I never imagined that I could love you even more after 10 years of being together. And I'm excited to spend some more lifetimes with you. I love you. To which TJ sweetly replied, I love you, baby.